Hi my friends. Today we're going to be making bubble paint so we can have lots of fun with that. So what you're going to need is some sugar, some food coloring, some measuring spoons, and some dish detergent. So we're going to take a cup of warm water and we're going to mix 1 tablespoon of sugar. And let's see what happens when we put it in here. Ooh, what happens when we put that in water? The sugar dissolves, right? We can give it a stir. And I'm noticing as I gently stir it that it's dissolving into the water. There's no more pile at the bottom. It's dissolved into the water. Then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of our dish detergent, and we're going to gently mix it in. Then we're going to use 1/4 cup if you have it. If not, you can just transfer the water into the different containers. And then we will add our food coloring. And we remember from other lessons that when we put the food coloring in the water, it changes color. So you can count out 5 drops or 10 drops, depending upon how dark you would like your artwork to be. The more dots we put in, the darker the paint it will become. So I've made some green and some yellow and some red and some blue. And now we're going to blow our bubbles. So for this, we want to use a straw, and we can cut it down because we want to get close to the paper. So we can dip our straw in the solution and blow. Pop goes the bubbles. If you find your bubbles aren't working so well, add more dish soap. Pop! And see, it makes the circles on the page. You could also ask a grown-up to cut the bottom of a water bottle if you want to make big bubbles. Ooh, that was a big one. Pop! So you can have fun painting with bubbles. And then what I did after mine dried, I looked at it just like we do when we looked at that story, Look Like Spilt Milk, and we were looking at the clouds. What does it look like? So then in my imagination, I said, it looks like an underwater sea animal. So I just drew lines wherever I thought the outline of that sea creature was. And so I have a pretty silly Miss Mullins sea creature. So share with me, friends, if you make some bubble paint, please share your beautiful art with me. Bye, have fun.